Speech off.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Angel here, and then we're back with another video. We're gonna walk around my neighborhood because I feel like it. Hello, Mr. Bush. Mr. Bush right there. Mata, ¿qué se ve en la cámara?
Nada.
¿Eh?
Bueno,
Ahora, ¿qué se ve? ¿Qué se ve? What? Mata, stop making popcorn. Oh my. We're making popcorn. Mata! No popcorn! Okay. So this is the area right now. Let's see, a bunch of stuff. And look, right here, this is the house. Mata, ¿qué se ve? ¿Eh? Look right here, guys. So this tree. There's a main street behind this. My house, which I'll be truck spotting one day. Like right here. Hello, Mr. Bush, right here. Look at this bush. Mr. Bush is right here. Or actually, Mr. Tree is gonna pass with here because it's part of Sprunky. Ah, there's a bunch of cobwebs. Ugh. I went in the clear. What am I doing? Mata, ¿se ve todo?
Sí.
We're about to pass Mr. T from Sprunky. No, I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. He's not Mr. Tree. He's a regular tree, guys. As you can hear, there's a bunch of big rigs and semi trucks behind these houses, which one day I'll do a video on. I don't know when, but it's coming up. I will not just make the trucks honk. I'm just gonna record the trucks pass by. One day. The reason why is because they cannot see me. Oh, at least some can see me, but not all of them. At least I'll try to make one honk though. So. Remember that other video I did the Corvette? I mean, when I was riding my bike and we saw the Corvette? That was crazy. That car right there. And Mr. Tree is right there. I don't know why, but I keep calling Mr. Trees every tree I see. Or I mean, I find. My bad. Ah, cobwebs. Be careful with the cobwebs. Or at least we should have brought an umbrella and then we can just hit the cobwebs in front of us. And you can see, why is this dumb car parked in the sidewalk? Man, ow. Doggies. Doggies. Look, there's another one over there. ¿Se ve el perrito? ¿Qué se ve? Right there? I was trying to show you the dog, but we can't. Dang it! Rocking the sidewalk. We'll see if we can get any luck today and get a trick hook. Because why not? Ah! Whoa!
Turn this way. You can see the camera side. You can see the dog.
Right there? Right there? That's the dog right there. That dog is going crazy. Alright. Today's the... Huh?
They came on the other side.
This dog is literally... It just ran over to the other side. Today's Thursday. So today is garbage truck day. My neighborhood. So maybe I can put some truck for you. I'm just not showing the people's faces. I'm trying to show people's faces, guys. Sorry. But look at these trash cans. They're ready to pick them up and yeet them in the back of the truck. Marta, ¿se ve algo?
No,
¿Qué se ve?
there's a nice a man going on. Turn a little bit to your left.
Right there? That's the one. Somebody more in the line, man. Ooh, there's a car coming out of the driveway. And they literally have the trash can out since overnight. What the heck? I remember 2 days ago, we passed through here. I remember this tree was filled with cobwebs. And hit it a bunch in our face. Ow. Wait. There you go. Marta, ¿qué se ve? I've pushed it. Why is it cutting the lawnmower at this time of morning? Aren't I supposed to be sleeping? I don't think that is a lawnmower. Anyways. Guys, look. At least we're not on that side.
There's two dogs.
Oh no. Get dogs on.
Yeah, sure. Right? So bad. They're scared. Go home. Go home. They're a bit back.
Or just go, just go.
Go.
Sorry guys.
They're just smelling me. Now they just smell you.
Oh. me get off on this side.
It's just
Huh?
push in front of you.
Oh, wow. Ooh. I thought we were gonna get attacked.
There's a pump right here.
Ya can.
Este fueron los espacios por ahí mismo.
Ya creo que la casa era de ellos cuando pasamos enfrente cuando vino a conocerlos.
Ajá.
Porque era la misma casa.
Sí.
Look, there's a car coming. ¿Se ve el carro?
Ajá.
Wow, wow, wow.
There's another person coming.
Hello, Mr. Fish. Got it.
I would.
Yeah? I'm pointing the camera down. Not trying to face it. As you can see. Pull it off. Got it. Bird just flew above us. ¿Tiene una troca? ¿Tiene una troca? ¿Eh? No viene nada. As you can see, we're in the main street. Ah. Y viene atrás de nosotros. There's an alley right there. Not an alley, but there's a street block. Get it? It's okay. We're waiting for others for you. ¿Y atrás de nosotros? ¿Y atrás de nosotros? ¿Aquí? ¿Cómo se ve? ¿Así? You hold the camera. Oh! I wanted a chocolate, not the car horn. That's okay though. At least you got it. ¿Viene algo atrás de nosotros? ¿Ah? ¿Ah?
Another branch. Not yet.
There's some branches hanging down. I need a cut. Look at these trees, man. Look at these trees. Like a wooded area. And I just got a copper back. Aquí. 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 Toma, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Oh! Yeah. He did it, bro. My guys. Alright. We're back. Okay, let's go. Alright, man. We got 2 trucks. Let's go. And you can hear the train. What? I still don't forget 2 trucks. That's a Jibo leading it. From I can see over here. Yep, a Jibo. I wanted an ace. Whee! This is fun. This area is always the best part because it goes downhill and can go too fast. Alright, we're heading back home. At least we got 2 trucks. Let's go. Oh, alright. But it smells garbage here. Ah. You know, man, I get all the trucks at home. Not all of them, but most of them. Just in Internet, I get all of them. Because I've been there for like 10 years.
Be careful, disappointed.
Yeah. Ow. Cobwebs.
There's another bush right here.
The bush.
Okay, yeah.
And cobwebs.
Look to the side.
And look, there's a car right there. Come. And a washing machine.
There's another little bump.
I mean, on your side, not on my side. Right, guys. ¿Cuándo llegamos a la esquina?
¿Ah?
¿Cuándo llegamos a la esquina?
Esquina de qué?
La esquina de la casa.
Ya estamos en el outer.
¿Ah?
Ya estamos en el outer.
¿Estamos dando vuelta? ¿Ah?
La little curve.
¿Cuántas
There's
casas?
more houses.
Okay. Okay. Voy a parar el video aquí, okay? Alright, guys, see ya in next video when I guess when we do another walk. Alright, there's another truck spawning. Alright. But yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this video and you don't ban me because of those dogs. Okay? So okay, see you. Please stay safe. Alright guys, so bye bye. Beep beep.